In today's video, I'll show you how to install an all-ending save file in Silent Hill 2. Check my video description for the save file download link. Choose the ending you like to install. I'm gonna install this Maria. Once you downloaded the save file, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Open the Silent Hill 2 and open save games, random number. If you already have this two number saved, then back up before dropping. Once you drop to the save, launch the game, go to load game and choose the save file. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.